Hey guys, in this video I'm going to review RoyalQ because I've been using it for over 3 months now. You can see I actually first got started back in November 16 and I activated the bot back in 15 November 2021. This is the cost for the bot activation. And I documented everything in these Google spreadsheets because at the end of the day, right, we want to know how much money did we put and how much money will we get at the end. So we know our net profit minus all the fees and etc. Now you will see this is the date that I put in the money. At first I started with $300 because I want to know how this bot operates and whether it's safe or not. And after I know that the bot is safe and I know how the bot works, now I'm more confident to add in more money. As you can see, in 22nd of November, I started adding like $2,000, $1,000. This is basically I'm just investing my money instead of put it in the saving account. I actually lose money. Okay, when I put my money in saving account, every month is gonna be maintenance fee, and there's inflation, stuff get more expensive, so our money is actually losing value if we put it in the bank. So that's why I started putting my money in crypto. And you can see here, this section is basically the value in my country currency, and this is in USDT. All of these guys are through Binance. Okay, I deposited my money through Binance. If I go to trades here and I go to P2P, this is where I bought the USDT. You can see the order history. Everything is recorded in here. This cannot be changed, cannot be manipulated. That's the cool thing about blockchain technology. So as you can see, in total I kind of have $8,000 in spot wallet because we are trading in Binance Spot. And the one that I color red, this is in futures. Okay, Binance futures, they are different from spot because spot we are kind of buying coins. In future we kind of predicting the value of that coin in the future, whether it's up or down. Okay, that's futures mean. So for the spot I have total of $8,273, and for the future I kind of have $1,000. Now for futures, you can see I put like $500. I want to try out futures as well, and then the rest of it I kind of buy some courses on futures. I kind of trading on other futures platform apart from Binance. It's kind of fun to play futures too, but I just put little money to play around with futures. And then you can see here, this one color blue, $800. This is still in my funding wallet. I will show you shortly. Okay, if I go to wallet, you can see my funding wallet have $800. This is just sitting there in case something happen, in case I need the money, in case BTC dump even further, I will use that money to let the bot operate at its maximum optimally. Okay, because the bot, when the market is dumping, the bot need to buy as well at the bottom, right? If the bot don't buy it, you're not gonna make money when the market rebound. Now if you see right here, we are in a trading view, and this is a Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is still around $40,000 right now. We might see it goes further down. Of course, when we play spot, all we want is for BTC to goes up. But this is real trading, guys. Okay, this is real trading on Binance. We just use RoyalQ to help us open trade. Just open low and sell high. That's all the bot do. And our money is on Binance, so it's very, very safe. Now, if you see on BTC currently, you can see the market. We are currently in a very, very strong support here. Okay, if it breaks down even further, we might see the next level of support, which is around 2630K. Okay, around 2630K. If it breaks this, we might see a 25K BTC. okay, Bitcoin at 25k. That's what some other traders say. That's what they are saying, okay, not what I'm saying. But be prepared, guys, because we never know how the market is gonna react to it. And because of the, you know, Ukraine and what, Russia is it that is having fight or war, and then there is federal interest rate, etc. And then you can see right here, this is called Bitcoin rainbow chart. So people are expecting Bitcoin to go to this like blue level line around like 25k right here. We might not see this, we might see just go uptrend here to 100k or something. So we never know when it's gonna happen, guys. It might go down possibly. That's a bit of technical analysis and fundamentals. But at the end of the day, we just want to have funds ready when the market is dumping. Okay, when the market is dumping, we can start new coin at the bottom. This is where we're gonna make money from there. As you can see right now, we are in floating loss. I invested $8,000, and right now we only have like $5,800, right? So it's 8273 minus 5896. You can see $2,000, 400. Okay, $2,400 are still floating. Okay, guys, still floating. We need to wait. Okay, we need to wait for the market to rebound. We might see similar thing in May. Okay, you can see in May it goes down and then it kind of go up, right? But it actually going down even more. So don't worry, guys, the price will definitely come back up. Now I'm gonna show you some of my mistakes. Okay, actually have 4 mistakes. You know, I want to be realistic with you. If you see all my RoyalQ videos, I never give you a guarantee fixed income, right? Because if you see some circle, even most circle out there in RoyalQ, they're gonna show you they make 30% return, 40% return a month. I think that's kind of, you know, unrealistic. If they start right here, it possibly could, but when the market is like very bearish, I don't think they are making like 40% a month. I don't think so. It's almost impossible. Unless they are very active trading and they just know when to get in and get out of the market. And you can see last month, I kind of only make 6% return. Okay, last month. This is based on sub-bin real time, because with sub-bin real time, even though the market are bearish, we can still make profit at the bottom. So we just need to wait the market to rebound to take all of the profit at the top as well. Now here are the 4 mistakes that I want to share to you guys. Mistake number 1, I actually joined a wrong circle. Now if you see my circle, let me show you my RoyalQ. So I have ATA here, ATA. ATA is in my old circle. This old circle is using whole warehouse mode. If I click on the coin here, you can see strategy mode. This is whole warehouse mode. The problem with this mode, you can see the transaction record. There is no subsell at all. Okay, there is just buy, and this is a basic dollar cost averaging. If I show you ATA here, so if you see ATA, look at my average price, 0.95. Okay, 0.95. So it's somewhere at the top here. Okay, somewhere at the top here. The problem with whole warehouse mode, look at this. When the market is just sideways or slowly going down, you're not gonna hit your average price. You could manipulate it a little bit. You can manual buy here, but it will just add up. Okay, I actually did manual buy, but you know, it continues goes down further. So that's the problem of whole warehouse mode. If I were to use sub-bin real time, I could have made a lot more money at the bottom because of the, you know, buy low sell high using sub-bin real time. You know, the bot could buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So that was my biggest mistake, guys. Joining a wrong circle that is using whole warehouse mode. Okay, that is my mistake number 1. If you see other coin, for example this one, If you see the transaction record, let me show you the sell. It has sub-sell. Okay, this is big. You can see even big, if it's going down, I'm still making tiny little profit at the bottom, right? You can see that. If I were to use whole warehouse, it could have similar fate, you know, with ATA coin just now. I didn't make any money. But with a sub in real time, you can see we are still making profit, right? We are still making money at the bottom because with sub in real time mode, you know, it buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high beyond the fifth margin call. You can watch my other video. I explain to you in complete detail about how Royal Kill works. If you go to my channel playlist, you will see I have Royal Kill playlist here. If you go to episode 8, okay, I show you how it works, everything about Royal Kill, sub in real time, and whole warehouse. I tell you everything in here. Okay, guys. So with sub in real time, is much more profitable. Okay, it's not as worse as whole warehouse mode. That mistake number 1. Then mistake number 2, I was too aggressive and I play with too many coins. Okay, you can see here I'm very aggressive. I put a lot of money here, guys, with my own money. Okay, I put a lot of money there, and the thing is I play with too much coin. If you see my coins here, look at this. In my old circle, I have this coin. Luckily, a lot of them already take profit. I already one-shot them. Aave, Argo, Avex, KSM, Sol, and Shiba. Luckily, I was able to one-shot them and take the profit. I still have 4 from old circle that using whole warehouse mode. So I just need to wait the market to rebound, and then we'll stop this 4. And now I'm with the new circle. Now with the new circle, I have like 8 coins. Okay, and the rest I'm using manual. Okay, this is my own manual settings, my own manual trade settings. You know, I shouldn't play with too many coins because one coin is around 350. I have literally 17 coin. So I have 17 coin. If I multiply by 350 is around $6,000, right? This one, again, this one is actually, I have 4 here. These 4 are $2,000. They are stuck because ATA I have a lot. I have like $700 in ATA. So I have 2,000 here and 6,000 here. So around 8,000. So I'm still good here because I have 8,200. You know, back then what I should have done is that I should have played only with 50% of my funds. Okay. Instead of going all in at the top here, I should have waited the market to go down here and then start another 50% of my funds to start a new coin, because I didn't know that the market was just going downhill from the top. You know, I was around here starting a Royal Kill, so a lot of them are still floating loss. Okay, guys, but it's still good though. It's not as bad as like investing or putting my money in the bank. I think putting money here is much better. Although it looks like I'm losing money, but we are not losing money, guys. It's just a floating loss because the coins gets cheaper. We just need to wait for the coin price to goes up. Now mistake number 3 is I should have choose top 100 coins. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can see that there are numbers here, right? I think top 100 is kind of the sweet spot. Beyond 100, I think the coin is a bit slow. Okay, when the market rebound, they are a little bit slow. If you see big here, okay, big is like in the ranking 338. So it's a bit slow, even though when the market return, you can see big is still down. So that's one of the problem. Doesn't mean that this is bad coin, it's just they are slow to rebound. Hopefully you learned something from this video. And make sure to take notes, okay? These are very costly mistakes. And then number 4, bad money management, and I'm too emotional when it comes to investing. You know, another mistake I make is this. I go ahead and buy manually, okay? This is manual trading. So I go to Binance here. You can see in my spot, some of these coins at the bottom, these are all manual trading. I buy it manually inside here. okay, inside the spot market. I just buy it manually, not using Royal Q. And why this is a big mistake? Because look at it, I bought it around $50, $20. Now they are just 38, 39, 32. And if you do manual buy, guys, it's pain in the butt, okay? I should have used bot. If I use Royal Q bot, I could have made profit, you know, instead of manual buy. And this will just eat up. You can see I eat up my capital. I should have used it to cover my margin call, but I use it to buy coin manually. I don't think this is a wise idea unless you are really, you know, if you make yourself a promise or something, you want to invest daily or what. I think bot still makes you quite a lot more money than manual investing, guys. Bot is much better. If you go to my homepage, I show you manual versus bot. Which one makes more money? You can watch this video and see for yourself which one actually makes more money. Especially in the downtrend, the bot will always make more money than you do manual trade. Okay, you cannot keep your eyes on your phone every day. This is why I'm using bot instead of manual trading. And again, guys, since we are using bot, we still make money every day. Look at this. Every day, guys. Look at this, guys. Even though we are in a very, very bearish market, we still make money every day because the bot keep trading. Okay, the bot keep trading at the bottom. You can see one day the volatility is very good, right? So the bot will buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So we can still make money every day, even though, you know, the market is dumping using sub-bin real-time mode. And now I'm actually playing with future as well. If you go to my playlist, now I play with future as well. If you see crypto futures here, I actually make a video playlist already on how to play futures. You know, when you play spot trading, there's only one direction for you to make the most money, which is up. Okay, but we are in real market. There is gonna be buyers and sellers, so the market can go up and go down. So when you play future, you can also take profit when the market is going down. So futures is two directions. Spot is just one direction market. So this is why if you are a little bit more aggressive, you want to make more money, you can start playing futures. But definitely futures is a bit technical. Okay, it takes time to learn. And if we play spot, we basically buy coins, right? You can see all our money is in coin, guys. Okay, in Binance coin, you can see all the money here is in the coins. But when we play futures, we are kind of in a way like betting the direction, whether the market is going to go up or if the market is going to go down. If you choose the right direction, you could make money. And most people are afraid that they will lose money, get liquidated. But you are wrong. And I was wrong as well. I thought it's going to be very hard. And I thought it's going to be, you know, like those binary option. This is not binary option. This is much more flexible. You can also do dollar cost averaging with futures. And I actually just realized that. And this is very profitable, guys. Although there's always risk in there, okay? It's not like zero risk. There's always risk. You can see I put 508. Right now I have 578. I already make 70% profit right there. I'm actually making $132 because they are still floating. There is $54 floating. I can just wait and I can let the bot do its work for me. And if I click on the 24 winning days, I don't have any losses, guys. Look at the information here. Let me show it. 24 days, all win. Okay, all wins because I just used the bot for the last 24 days. If I wait for another 6 days, I'm gonna have 100% win rate. And average profit is $5. Remember, I put in 508. So it's around 1% a day. Again, this is not a guarantee. This is just my own result. You're probably gonna have more or less. Okay, it really depends on the market. This is why I kind of love to combine these together. And going forward, I will probably put like 90% in spot, 10% in futures, because future is kind of good as well. or maybe 80% in spot, 20% in futures. I don't know, you could have your own balance. This is definitely so much more fun, guys, than putting your money in like traditional investment, S&P 500, you know, like index fund, Nasdaq 100. If you watch my other video, I show you I bought $1,000 of stocks in Nasdaq 100, okay? Right now, we are $52 floating loss, guys. We put $1,000, right? Back then, you watch it, and now our money is only 947. It's the same, guys. Stock and crypto is the same. It's the same. There's gonna be up and down. There's gonna be always floating loss. Now with stock, there's nothing I can do, man. I'm not using a bot with stock. The only thing that I can do is just dollar cost averaging. So I just put money when the price is cheaper and making sure my average price is higher and higher and higher. So when 10 years, 20 years later, when I took out everything, I should have made around 10% or 20% return every year. That's what seems to be. If you see Nasdaq 100, for the past 5 years, it's kind of have 162% return. So 162 divided by 5, you can see even 32% return per year. If you divide by 12 months, it's only 2%. Look at crypto. Crypto is 6%. Who wins? Even though if you minus all the fee, it's still above 3-4%. I still think crypto will still be the winner. But again, we never know, right? What's gonna happen? That's why I do a challenge. If you see I have road to $1 million and I invest $1,000 to Nasdaq here. You can watch this video. So that's the whole Royal Q review and Binance Spot Trading and investment overall for 3 months, guys. I just show you everything, my plan. And again, this is the mistake that I think every one of you shouldn't repeat. Okay, have some good money management and choose good coins, and then try not to go all in. Okay, if you want to invest in crypto coin, make sure know your market first. If the market are very bearish, don't go all in. Put like 50% first, sync strategy, wait the market to go down even further, then sync strategy, and then maybe next month you can sync strategy again. Don't just put all your money here and start all your coin here. When the market is bearish and it keep going down, all of them is going to have floating loss. So try to make a good strategy, guys. The same thing for the uptrend. Okay, this is downtrend strategy. For the uptrend strategy, let's say in a few months later, I don't know when it's going to be, but let's say we are in the uptrend, you may go all in, but be careful, know where you are. Okay, you might stop right here and then you can sink another coin in here. But at the end of the day, if you're a beginner, it's very hard to time the market, guys. Nobody can time the market perfectly. It's very hard. So try not to put everything. Okay, just put a little bit and wait and see the market. Don't ask me when is the best time because nobody knows. Try to preserve your money, and also, okay, you should have emergency fund, because the last thing you want is that suddenly you need money, then you gotta take your investment at loss. Don't do that. Okay, just wait for your investment to take profit. I don't know, are you after the long term or short term? But ideally crypto should be long term, guys, at least 5 years investment. Don't just I'm gonna put money now and in 1 month I want to make double of the money. That will never happen. Okay, if you try to find that kind of thing, you will get scammed. And most importantly, don't put your money in the broker. If you put your money in the broker and you don't have control with your money, you're gonna lose everything. Okay, a lot of scam out there, guys. Be careful. The reason why I choose Royal Q and other bot is because our money is on Binance and we have full control with our money, so we don't have to be afraid. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question, put it down below. If you like this video and if you find the tips are helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe. I will put more investment video around cryptocurrency.